Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to print boarding pass on Lufthansa. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account in Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type lufthansa.com and that is going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get in there, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to print boarding pass on Lufthansa. So how do you print your boarding pass? You print your boarding pass during check-in. And how do you check in? From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Book and Prepare, you have My Bookings, you have Discover Lufthansa. Go ahead and click on My Bookings and it takes you to this window where you have extended options which include Manage and Extra Service. So head over to Manage, and under Manage you have Check-in, Flight Status, Manage Bookings, Seat Reservation, Rebook, Cancellation and Refund. You have Passenger Receipts and you have Delayed and Damaged Baggage. So go ahead and click on Check-in. Now once you click on Check-in, it's going to take you right into the check-in window. So check-in online now. You can check in online from 30 hours before departure. So over here you have to add your booking reference or ticket number, and you have to add your first name and you have to add your last name. And after doing that, go ahead and click on Confirm, and it's going to take you through the check-in process. Now during the step-by-step check-in processes, it's going to take you to a point where you're going to see boarding pass. So go ahead and click on boarding pass, and under the boarding pass window, or in the boarding pass window, you're going to see an option that says print. So click on the print button. After clicking on the print button, it's going to download. It's going to show you a preview of your boarding pass. So click on download and it's going to be downloaded to your system folder. So once it's downloaded, you can take it to any printer and print from there. But this is it. You have to check in before you get your boarding pass. And once you get your boarding pass, click on print and you'll be able to print your boarding pass from there. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.